Sing it with me now.
Sing
On the road again. We're on the road again, folks. We got this huge Nissan Versa. And look who's with us back there in the back. Hey, doggo. Say hi. We are packed to the gills.
Hey guys, it's not huge, by the way. Look at my knees.
It's yeah, look at that. This is and mine right up here against the dash. We've got a about a 9-hour drive.
At least you got a backup camera because you ain't gonna see back there.
Okay. Yeah, I can see where I'm going. Backup camera, because we can't see out of the parking lot.
Out of the parking lot, you mean?
I mean, yeah. Well, out of the parking lot either at the moment, since the windows are all fogged up. He's breathing too hard as usual. So we're headed for the mothership. She's finally finished and paid for, and we're about to be back on the road. Y'all come along for the journey.
Yeah, cold.
But yeah, cold and excited. All right, guys. So I wouldn't say moved in, but we're piled in. As you can see, we've just piled stuff everywhere. And somewhere back under here is a dog. Huh, there she is. She found a warm spot. We finally got it up to 49 degrees. Once I started the truck, we turned the heat on blowing back here. But for some reason, the generator will start and run, but it's not putting out juice. So I gotta figure out why. Both breakers are turned on, so I'm not really sure what's going on. But so we got to go through all this stuff, get it all put up in these cabinets, go through the cabinets, figure out what's here, what we're keeping. There's lots of storage space back in there. What we're throwing out. I've already got some clothes hung up. Of course, the most fun part, Brandon's gonna have here in a minute. Yeah, look at that. I somehow overlooked cleaning the refrigerator out 14 months ago when the truck broke down. So got a lot of work to do there, but it's in writing, it's his job. We're gonna take a break and eat. And then we're gonna go to cleaning. All right, guys, the last time I showed a video of this refrigerator, somebody suggested that I just replace it. The thing is, those little babies aren't cheap, and that was not very old, and no point replacing it when you've got some Clorox wipes.
And a hard left.
Yeah, and our next best thing to do some scrubbing with. And we've got some bleach spray and some of those. And one of these. So, yeah. I may have to put this thing on in a minute. I'm gonna find out. I ain't sure yet.
Yeah.
But here's what we're dealing with.
Yeah, let's go buy another one.
Take a good look at all that.
Oh.
Nasty.
I'll give you $100 if you eat something out
Negative. All right. Put it in trash.
Eat the peanuts, $100.
That's not peanuts. That's M&M's. They're probably still good.
Whatever. They got nuts in them.
Yeah.
Leaky fingers.
Here. Have some M&M's.
Stop.
That's nasty. Smell it. Does it smell good?
I don't smell nothing. Oh, but it's so gooey, dude.
Squeeze it.
Doggo.
No thanks.
Oh gosh, that's so gross.
Yeah. And just think, all those little larvae is on the food because
Shut up.
that was That was a clean refrigerator. That was nice new food when we had just gone shopping when the truck broke down. What is that?
It ain't nothing no more.
Blackberries. Dried up blackberries.
I just threw up in my mouth.
Got a new trash bag. Those are full already. Oh, this is so much fun.
It's not either. Oh shit.
You having fun yet?
I'm crying. Oh, my neck hurts. You know that moment when you cough so bad your neck wants, you gotta pump your neck? Oh man.
All right. Oh look,
Smell that.
there's a no,
Smell it.
no, thank you. There's one of those Nutty Buddy or Nutty Bar ice cream cone
Pull
things.
my mask down.
What?
Pull my mask down.
You want to smell it?
Yeah. I'll take one for the team. Oh, okay, that ain't gonna work.
It
Here,
doesn't pull.
Pull the hat off.
No. You
I
don't
can
want
just put it
to. You
forward.
don't want to smell it. Trust me. Just empty that. You have to get up. Look at that. Look at all those little maggot larvae. Come on, suck it up. Come on. You can do this. I have faith in you. Pull it out.
I quit. It fell on me. Oh.
It doesn't smell as bad as I thought it would. It just looks nasty. Come on, pull it out. Oh, look, hold up. Look at all that. That's so cool and nasty.
No,
at the
it's
same
not.
time.
No, it's not. Oh. Lick my fingers, dog.
It's coming clean.
Oh. The texture from it, man, is killing me. Give me another.
Check it out. We're making progress. Still got a lot of scrubbing inside there to do, but that's just the first wipe down. Unfortunately, the paint's coming off the metal, but it won't affect the performance. Down the road, I'll change the whole thing out. But that's what a few minutes of work with a scrubby brush and some disinfecting wipes will do. Nasty, nasty. Okay, so we're going through all these packages of food up here that were purchased 14 plus months ago. That expired back in 18, so let's see if it's any good.
November 2018.
November of 18. So open it up. That ought to be good.
Oh man.
What's it smell like? Big bite. Chew and swallow.
Dude, it looks.
Has it got mold on it?
I don't know if that's mold or if that's just food coloring.
Let's go with food coloring. I'm saying food coloring.
I'm gonna swap it to the other end. Hold on. Just in case it is. Okay, that's food coloring. I hope. No.
Chew and swallow. Chew and swallow.
I can't.
You do it.
No, it's okay.
Okay, so y'all saw we got the truck all cleaned up last night. And then small payment related issue. You know how banks are, they don't always take care of money when they're supposed to. So we got a little time to get out and run around. So thought I'd bring next best thing over here and show him something he's never saw. Geography question for you. What is this?
It's a beach.
Where?
Illinois.
What ocean is it? You don't know which ocean this is?
No.
Are you sure it's an ocean?
Bobby, look. Bobby.
Solid ice right here.